Every second, thousands of prices change on Amazon. In fact, some products change price over 80 times a day. So how do top sellers, brands, and researchers keep track of millions of products without losing their minds or getting blocked? The answer is web scraping, but there's a catch. Amazon doesn't want you scraping its data. It actively detects and blocks bots within minutes. So how does everyone still manage to pull this off at scale? The secret weapon is proxies, and today I'm going to show you exactly how Amazon scrapers use proxies to collect product data without getting caught. Let's get into it. Why scraping Amazon is hard. First, let's understand the problem. Amazon is one of the most protected websites on the internet. It uses advanced bot detection systems that track things like your IP address, your browsing speed, and even how you move your mouse. If you send too many requests from the same IP address, Amazon notices. Within minutes, you'll see the dreaded CAPTCHA, or worse, a full IP ban. So if a company wants to track competitor prices, monitor stock levels, or collect reviews across thousands of products, they simply can't do it from one computer, one IP, one location. They'd be blocked almost instantly. That's where proxies come in. What proxies actually do. Think of a proxy as a middleman. Instead of your scraper talking directly to Amazon, it sends the request through a proxy server first. That proxy has its own IP address, usually located in a different city or country. So to Amazon, it doesn't look like one bot hammering their site. It looks like a completely different, real user browsing normally. Now here's the clever part. Serious scrapers don't use just one proxy. They use thousands of them, rotating through different IP addresses with every request. This is called IP rotation. So instead of one address making 10,000 requests, you have 10,000 addresses each making one request. To Amazon systems, that looks completely natural, like organic traffic from real shoppers all over the world. Types of proxies used. Not all proxies are created equal. Let's break down the three main types used for Amazon scraping. Datacenter proxies are fast and cheap, but they come from data centers, not real households. So Amazon systems can sometimes flag them. Residential proxies are the gold standard. These IPs come from real devices, real homes, real internet providers. They're much harder to detect because they genuinely look like a real person shopping. And then there's mobile proxies, which route traffic through actual mobile networks. These are considered the hardest to block, since mobile IPs are shared by thousands of real users already. Most professional scraping tools combine residential and mobile proxies to maximize success rates, especially when scraping at large scale. How the data collection actually works. So how does this look in practice? Step 1. The scraper sends a request to an Amazon product page, but routes it through a rotating proxy. Step 2. The proxy assigns a fresh IP address, often mimicking a real browser and real location. Step 3. Amazon responds with the page. The scraper then extracts key data like price, stock availability, ratings, reviews, and product rankings. Step 4. Before the next request, the IP rotates again. This cycle repeats thousands, even millions of times a day. The result? A massive, structured dataset, updated in near real time without ever tripping Amazon's defenses. Real-world use cases. This isn't just a technical trick, it powers real business decisions. E-commerce brands use this data for dynamic pricing, automatically adjusting their prices to stay competitive. Market researchers track trends and demand shifts before they become obvious. Investors even use scraped Amazon data to predict retail earnings before they're officially announced. And sellers use it to monitor competitor stock so they know exactly when to strike with a promotion. Now, a quick but important note. Scraping public data is common practice, but it comes with rules. Responsible scrapers respect rate limits, follow robots.txt guidelines, and avoid collecting personal or private information. Amazon's own terms of service restrict automated data collection, so this is a space where legal and ethical boundaries genuinely matter. So next time you see a product price magically drop the moment a competitor's stock runs out, now you know what's happening behind the scenes. Proxies, rotation, and smart scraping infrastructure make it all possible. If you found this breakdown useful, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into how the internet really works, and drop a comment. What topic should I break down next? See you in the next one.